So hello everyone, this is my presentation for my assignment 1, which is portfolio site. So let's get straight to the point. This is my app.js. So here we are importing HTTP errors, path, cookie parser, Morgan and Express. So how do we do this? So we basically write npm I or npm install and just install all these packages. Then here in app we pass our express. We set our port to 3000. It's okay even if we don't initialize it with a variable. We can just directly write down here 3000. Then moving on, we set our main router and project router. So the main router is nothing but our index file, and in the project router, the project router basically manages our about me function, and all the other pages, that is our contact, our index, projects and the services. Then moving on, we use app.set. Here we can use path.joins function. We have also imported path over here, but I prefer, instead of using path.join and underscore dir name and writing views, I prefer this method. So then we have just basic coding. Then we use app.listen to run our server, and here we it on the console.log. So in our console it prints running on local host. So let's go to the terminal. We select new terminal, and here we can write nodemon app.js. We also need to install nodemon. What it basically does is we don't need to start and stop like every time. Nodemon basically helps us. We need to install it using the same method npm I install or install. So we do. So it shows running on localhost 3000, and then going. So this is basically my portfolio site. It's not much fancy, but yeah, it has all the functionalities. It can be modified. It's pretty easy to modify and import a different type of CSS. So this is my about me page. Here we can it's the download resume link, and it's some things about me. Here the other projects. So made a two-dimensional game which looks like a Atari 2600 Space Invaders. We used to play these games back when I was a child. It's great to have knowledge and make a game like that. Then I made a chess engine because I'm really fond of chess. So I thought of making. Yeah, obviously I took help of my friends and the internet a lot in making chess engines, because it's very complex to make engines like Stockfish AlphaZero. Yeah, I was not I didn't make exactly a chess engine like that, but yeah, I was near about it. And an educational app, so which uses augmented reality to make learning more interesting. Then we have the services which I provide, and here, if anyone wants to contact me, it's name, email, and what message they want to type in. Yeah, back we can go to home. Yeah, that's how I used it. So quick things. So this is my index.js and project.js. I basically use controllers so that I don't have to write a bunch of code in the same JS. I can just call the controller every time whenever I'm using index.js. And the same for projects. So in projects I call all my get about me page, my create project page, service page, contact page, etc. Yeah, that's all. And in public images I have my images stored. Yeah, that's it. I think it will be too long if I explain more. Thank you very much. That's my time here.